3-piece cod.
Okay.
The price.
Cod dinner.
And then your onion ring.
Yeah.
Onion rings?
What size of the brown bag?
Thank you.
Είστε Έλληνες?
Έλληνες.
Από πού?
Το Μεσολόγγι το ξέρεις, την Αμφιλοχία, το Αγρίνιο, την Άρτα.
Ξέρω. Εγώ είμαι από την Φλόρινα.
Από τη Φλόρινα.
Ναι.
She's too busy now. She's the one.
Oh, really?
She's from Mesohori.
Oh.
You already ordered, did you?
Okay, you go there.
That's it.
Cod dinner, medium onion rings.
How much ketchup you put on that thing?
I don't know.
That's a lot of ketchup.
Too much ketchup.
Baby, there's never too much ketchup.
Pictures of Greece. All kinds of memorabilia all over the walls. As well as some interesting decor like
Hey.
look, onion rings.
Can't join it? Wow, that's a onion rings. Wow. And pudding. Looks so yummy.
We have our fries with gravy, 3-piece fish and chips. Looks delicious, and onion rings. Nice crispy battered fried onion rings. Really nice. You like it, Callie? Is it yummy?
No.
With your vinegar?
Ew.
No. Gravy. Mom, meet it.
A bit more?
Meet it.
And you got your salt
Do you want to whistle a bit?
and your peppers.
Whistle? No.
Yes. The ketchup is just on the side though.
Yes.
This was like my meal in high school. Use the malt vinegar. No?